How to create a group in Telegram iPhone and invite link and share. To create a group in Telegram on iPhone, just go ahead and then launch the Telegram application on your iPhone. Then when you've done that, what you have to do is you'll find these options. When you're on the chat page, you'll find this edit or the slash icon right there at the top right hand side. So you have to just tap on that icon. Now here you can see the option that says new group. So what you do is tap on the new group button. Now you can simply go ahead and then basically invite some of the people that you want to add to your group in this case. So let me go ahead and then basically invite some of the people over here. Now when I've done this, what I do is I tap the next option. I can simply give this a name for the group if I want to. Then when I've done that, I can tap the create button like this. Then you can see I've successfully created the group. Now, if it's a public group, what I can do is I can invite others. If it's a private group also, I can invite others. For that, tap the group name from the very top. You can see the more option, you can see more option, or you can tap on add members and you can see invite to group via link. So tap on invite to group via link. You can simply copy this link right here. And when you copy the link, you can share this link to someone else and they'll be able to join the group. This way you can basically create a Telegram group on iPhone and also invite the link and share. I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end and see you soon in the next video.